Sultry glossy eyes that catch the light from every angle. Let me show you how to get this look. I'm Tay, also known as Beautiful Love Forever, and let's get started. I already primed and set my eyes, and now I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow on my crease. Next, I'm going to use the Black Radiance Brilliant Effects eyeshadow palette in Paradise. And I'm going to take that first shade and put that all over my lids. And then the second shade I'm going to put right in the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl Holographic Gloss Topper in Starlight and just put a dab of that on my eyelids right on top of that eyeshadow. Next, I'm using the Duo Lash Glue and the Kiss Luxe Effect Lashes in Opal. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face and neck. Now I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Setting Powder and Translucent Honey to set where I have that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder again to set where I highlighted at. Now I'm going to use the Revolution Beauty Sugar and Spice Blush Palette, and I'm going to take that shade and use that for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Chameleon Chrome Highlighter in 2 series. For lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lip Liner and Club Hopper, and I'm also going to use that LA Girl Holographic Gloss Topper that I used earlier on my eyes. I'm just going to use that on my lips. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Alright, that's the finished Sultry Glossy Eye Look, soft, smoky, and full of shine. If you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe for more soft glam and elevated beauty looks. I post new shorts every Monday and full tutorials every Friday. And I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.